Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in again. This is your weekly update for June 1st, 2019. I'm coming at you from the Perennial House because June is Perennial Gardening Month. The honor was bestowed by the Perennial Plant Association. They think June is a great time not only to plant perennials, but you can find more mature specimens in garden centers or botanical gardens to see what you would like to add to your garden as well. Earlier today I took some still pictures of what's in bloom here in the greenhouse. And then after that, I'll go ahead and show you some of our favorite perennial plant of the year past winners. Now this little guy I have in my hand is Stachy's Humelo. It's called Bethany. It grows to about 18 inches tall. It gets purple flower spikes in the summer and it can grow in sun to part shade. It is the 2019 Perennial Plant of the Year winner. And I wanted to come down here to the back greenhouse because many of you have been asking, hey, when's that Hairy Balls Milkweed gonna be ready? So it's right behind me, it's looking good, it's rooted in, so we're gonna go ahead and release that next weekend. So this is a preview for all of our video watching subscribers. And just in case you are not familiar with this very popular plant here at Dayton's, here's some info and some pictures of it in bloom and its really neat seed pods. And last but not least, I wanted to say a quick hello to some friends who I've learned have been watching each and every week. I wanted to say hello to Emmy, Michael, Lisa, Nicholas, and Alex. These milkweeds are actually their favorite plant, and last year they actually hatched some monarch caterpillars using these plants. So we'll see you next week when they're ready. Okay, bye guys.